How to add view shop button on Instagram. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application and it will lead you to your homepage, right? Now on the bottom part, you'll see 5 different options there. Tap on your profile there and it will lead you here. Now, before we start everything, you have to make sure that your account is on business type and you have connected it to your business website or to where you want to put your shop. Now, the next thing, or where you want to be contacted and see your products, and here it will look like this, right? Now on the bottom, on the middle part, you'll see edit profile there. Tap on edit profile and scroll down up until you see the public business information section. Now here you will see your page, your category, your contact options, your action buttons here. And then the next thing that you want to do is you will see a action buttons there. Tap on action buttons and you will see your action buttons here, and all you have to do is to choose the button that your shop actually requires. So for me, I just want to have a learn more form here, a standard form. So if I want to add that one, they will ask for the name, the phone number of the person, and then specific request what they want, and tap on save form. And basically, that is how you add view shop button on Instagram. That is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.